Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. I am Mahesh. I am new teacher. I came from Swamlavar Lingotam, Chotuppal Mandal. Okay. Before starting the today topic, I will explain one example. So Rohan is working in a private company. So Rohan get for every month salary 20,000. So that company giving every year 500 rupees increment. So after 1 year, Rohan get first month salary is equal to 20,000 rupees. So after 1 year, he gets 500 rupees increments. So after 5 years, he got like this salaries in every year. So like this. So you observe here, this is a one pattern. So difference between two successive numbers have same value. So for example, 20,500 have 500 more. So 20,500 have more number. So between two numbers have fixed value. So that value is equal to 500. So some numbers are following some rule is called a number pattern. For example, 4, 6, 4, 6 dash dash. So each number in a pattern is called term. So 4 is a one term, 6 is a one term. So this type of arrangement is called progression. So today's topic is progressions. So progressions are two types. First one is arithmetic progression. So what is the meaning of arithmetic progressions? This series are list of numbers formed by adding or subtracting a fixed number to the preceding term is called a arithmetic progressions. So for example, 3, 5, 7, 11. So given series, so between two terms have fixed value except the first term. So each number between two numbers have same value plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. This type of arrangement is called arithmetic progressions. So in this series, first term is called first term, 3 is called first term. First term we can denote by A1 is equal to A. So difference between two successive terms is same is called common difference. Common difference. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 11 minus 9 is equal to so on. So this type of arrangement is called arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, first number is called first term. It is denoted by A1 is equal to A. First term is A. So between two successive numbers have same value. So that value is called common difference. So the general form of arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression we can read as shortcutly AP. So AP means arithmetic progression. So general form of arithmetic progression. So A, A2, A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, that's the rush, AN, A plus N minus 1 into D. So here A is called first term, A plus D is second term, A plus 2D is third term, A plus 3D is fourth term, like this. So last term is nth term. So here A1 is equal to A. So A2 is equal to A plus D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. For example, n case we will take 1. First term A1 is equal to A plus n value how much here? 1. So n is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So A1 is equal to A plus 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into D, 0. So A plus 0 is equal to A. So A1 is equal to A. So by using nth term, we will get the number of terms in a given arithmetic progressions. For example, type arithmetic progressions types. How many types? So in arithmetic progression, number of terms are finite, then it is a finite set. In arithmetic progressions, number of terms are finite, then it is a finite set. For example, finite means number of terms we are countable. So how many terms are there in given progression, arithmetic progression? For example, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So here how many terms are there? 5 terms. So this given series are countable, means finite. We can say answer. So this type of arrangement is called finite progressions. So next, if number of terms in a arithmetic progression is infinity, then it is a infinity progressions. For example, three, 6, 9, 12, 15 dollars. So here so on. So here this is not countable. So we cannot say last term in this series. So that's why this is a infinite set. Number of terms we are countable means that is finite set. So number of terms we cannot count in a series, that is infinity set, infinity progressions. For example, arithmetic progression 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, find the 12th term of given series. Find the 12th term. Find the 12th term. So how to find out? So first given series you write here. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So in first term is A is equal to A1 is equal to A is equal to 4. So common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, An minus 1. So D is equal to how much here? 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6, 10 minus 8, 12 minus 10. So all differences are same. So D is equal to 2. So A is equal to 4, D is equal to 2. So common difference D equal to 2. So number of terms 12. So the nth term of on AP, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D. So substitute here. N value how much? 12. So A value 4 plus N value 12 minus 1. D is equal to how much? 2. So 4 plus 12 minus 1, 11 into 2. So 4 plus 11 to the 22. So 22 plus 4, 26. So in given series, 12th term is 26. Okay, next. Okay, the sum of n terms in a AP. The sum of n terms on AP is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. So Sn means sum of n terms. So n is equal to number of terms. A is the first term. N is equal to number of terms on AP. Next, A is equal to first term of on AP, and L is last term of on AP. AP. So sum of the n terms on AP is equal to how to calculate it by using this formula. Sn means sum of n terms. So n by 2 a plus l. N means number of terms of on AP. A is the first term of on AP, and L is the last term of on AP. Next, sum of the n terms have another formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So when given series, number of terms and first term and last term by using this formula. So here by using this, when we using this formula means number of terms and first term. Here how many terms are there? N, A, D. 3 terms are there. So any 4 terms is there. Sum of the n term is 1 term. N is the number of terms. A is the first term. D is the common difference. So here 4 terms are there. So any given in question 3 terms, we will find the next term by using this formula. For example, find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus 60. So without formula, you will take some more time. By using this formula, sum of the n terms, here first term given and last term given by using Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l value. So number of terms n is equal to 60. First term is 1. Common difference 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So successive two terms, difference between successive two terms is same in given series. So substituting given formula, these values. So n by 2 a plus l. So Sn is equal to n value 60. Sum of the 60 terms is equal to 60 by 2. A how much? 1. L value 60. Okay, L also 60. N is equal to L. So 2 1 ja, 2 30 ja. So S60 is equal to 30 into 61. So 31 the 30, 36 the 180, 183. So given series, sum of the 1 to 6 terms is 1830. Okay. So next example. For example, 4, 10, 60, 22, dash. So given series is in on AP or not. How to find out? So first you write given series 4, 10, 16, 22, dash, dash, dash. So here first term A1 is equal to A. So D is equal to common difference. Common difference means difference between two successive terms in a given series is same. That series is in on AP. So D is equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, AN minus 1. So D is equal to 10 minus 4, 16 minus 10, 22 minus 16. So D is equal to 10 minus 4, 6, 16 minus 10, 6, 22 minus 16, 6. So given series is on AP. How like here common difference is same. So the difference between two successive terms are fixed value. That value is equal to 6 given here. So this given series is on AP. Next, here on problem given, the maximum taxi fare is 20 rupees for the first kilometer and thereafter 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. So exercise 6.1, first question. So minimum taxi fare rupees. Minimum taxi fare. How much? 20 rupees. So each kilometer going taxi means he will increase the price. So kilometers are increased, distance are increased, price also increased. How much? 8 rupees for each kilometer. For each kilometer, how much increased? 8 rupees. So for example, one person going in taxi. So first kilometer 20 rupees. First kilometer 20 rupees. After second kilometer increased 8 rupees. How much increased? 8 rupees. So 20 plus 8, 28 rupees. So after third kilometer, like this. So first fare rupees 20 rupees. When distance is increased, price also increased. So first kilometer 20. So each kilometer is 8 rupees increased. So second kilometer 28, next kilometer 36, next kilometer 44, and so on. So this given series are AP or not? Given series is on AP or not? How to find out? So first given series, first term is A is equal to A1 is equal to 20 rupees. So D is equal to common difference. This is first term A1, A2, A3, A4. So D is equal to 28 minus 20, 36 minus 28, 44 minus 36. So the difference between all terms are same. That value is equal to 8 rupees. So given series are on AP. So your common difference same value. The difference between successive two terms is same value. That value is equal to 8 rupees. So D is equal to 80. So given series on AP. Therefore, given series are on AP. Okay. So first bit all like this only. Next bit. So next one, write the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and common difference D are given as follows. So second bit given first term and common difference. Find the next four terms. So A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. So your first term given and common difference given. Find the next term. So you know already the general form of an AP. So general form of an AP on AP. So first term A, second term A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D. Next fifth term A plus 4D. So already given here first term A. A how much given? 10. A how much given? 10. So find that common difference also given 10. So substituting given values in general form of an AP. So next four terms. Next four terms. Next four terms are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. So A equal 10, D value also 10. So A is equal to 10. 2 into 2D means 2 into 10. Next to 10 plus 3 into D means 10. Next to fourth term 10 plus 4 into 10. So here 10. So 2 10 is 20. First term is 10. Second term is 10 plus 10 20. 2 10 is 20. 2 10 is 20 plus 10 30. So 3 10 is 30 plus 10 40. Next 50. So therefore next four terms. Next four terms. Four terms are 20, 30, 40, 50. Already first term given 10. So this is the answer. Okay. Next one. So next one. Here given for the following arithmetic progression, write the first term and the common difference. So here four problems given. So first you write given series 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. And so your given series first term is A1 is equal to A is equal to 3 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, second term minus first term, and third term minus second term, and fourth term minus third term, and so on. So D is common difference equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 minus of minus 1. So D is equal to 1 minus 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 3, minus 2. And minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. Minus 3, minus and minus plus. So minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. So difference between two successive terms in a given series are same. So D value is equal to minus 2. Therefore, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 2. So first term is equal to 3, common difference minus 2. And next one, next one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 15 by 3, sorry, 13 by 3, and so on. So here also find the first term and common difference. So already you know in given series first term by is first term. So 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, and 13 by 3. Okay. So here first term A1 is equal to A is equal to 1 by 3 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. This is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. So A2 minus A1, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Next to A3 minus A2, 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3 and 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3 and so on. So D is equal to, so your denominators are same. So 5 minus 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 LCM 3. So 5 minus 1 and 9 minus 5 by 3 and 13 minus 9 by 3. So D is equal to 5 minus 1, 4 by 3, 9 minus 5, 4 by 3, 13 minus 9, 4 by 3. So here all common differences are same. So therefore A is equal to 1 by 3 and D is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Next one. Which of the following are on harmonic progression? If they form on AP, find the common differences and D, write the next three terms. So here 13 problems given. So first given series are there in AP or not, first you find out. After you find the common difference and next three terms. Okay, first one, 2, 4, 8 and 16 data. First given series is there on AP or not, first you check. So first to find the common difference. So here first term A is equal to A1 is equal to A is equal to 2. First term, first number 2 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. So D is equal to 4 minus 2 and 8 minus 4 and 60 minus 8. So D is equal to 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 4, 4, 16 minus 8, 8. So your common differences are not equal. So your common differences are not equal. So D value exactly fixed value not have yet between two successive numbers in a given series. So common difference is not same value. That's why given series not on AP. So given series are not on AP. So this next three terms we can't write in first problem. Okay. So when common difference are same, compulsory that series is in on AP. So common difference is difficult means given series is not on AP. Okay. Next one. Next one. A square, A cube, A power 4, dash, and so on. So first write here. First write first term A1 is equal to A is equal to A here. First term A. So that's why first value also given series A is given. So second term A square, third term A cube, fourth term A power 4 given. So common difference A square minus A cube minus A square, A power minus A cube. So D is equal to A minus 1 minus A square minus A. So A means A cube minus A square. So here all values not equal. So D is equal to not same in between two successive terms. So that's why so given series is not on AP. So next three terms we cannot find out. So when given series is in on AP, next three terms we can find out. But here D value not equal between two successive terms. So this is not on AP. Next, find the okay. I will explain some examples. So find the sum of multiples of 3 of two-digit numbers. Question: find the sum of multiples of 3 of two-digit numbers. Two-digit number. So first, you know two-digit numbers. So the smallest two-digit number is 10, but 10 is not multiple of 3. So 10, 11, 12, dash, up to 99. So between 10 and 99 numbers are two-digit numbers. So in this given series, first you find the multiples of 3. So multiples of 3. So 10 not multiple of 3. 11 also not multiple of 3. So 12. So multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 of two-digit number. Two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers is equal to 12, 16, 18, 21, and 96 and 19. Okay. So So given series 12, 15, 18, 21 and last term is 99. So you observe 12 is the multiple of 3. 3 4 the 12. 3 5 the 3 6 the 3 7 the and last one 3 33 the 3 into 33 99. So find the first year first term and common difference. Find the first term and common difference. So A1 is equal to first term A1 is equal to A is equal to 12 and D is equal to A2 minus A1 means 15 minus 12 is equal to 18 minus 15 is equal to and so on 99 minus 92. So D is equal to 3. 15 minus 12 3, 18 minus 15 3. So 99 minus 96 3. So the common difference is 3. First, find the nth term of given series. How many terms are there in on given series? So nth term of on AB formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. An not given. An given. Even how much An is equal to L is equal to L means last term 99. A given 12. D is equal to 3. So An is equal to 99. A is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into D value 3. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So L value An means last term. Last term how much given here? 99. So here A is equal to 12, D is equal to 3, L is equal to An is equal to L is equal to 99. So 99 A is equal to 12 plus n value not given, D is equal to 3. So 99 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. Okay. 3 into n 3n 3 1 ja 3. So 99 minus 12 is equal to 3n minus 3. So 99 minus 12 87 is equal to 3n minus 3. So 3n is equal to 87 plus 3 is equal to 90. So 3n is equal to 90. So n is equal to 90 by 3. So 3 1 is 30. So n value is equal to 30 means so 12 to 19 multiples of 2-digit numbers of multiples of 3 of 2-digit numbers between 12 to 99 30 terms are there. So find the next sum of the 30 terms of multiples of 3. Okay. So here n given 30 terms, A is equal to 12, D is equal to 3. So find the sum of the n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to Sn means S30. Sum of the 30 terms. 30 by 2, 2 into 12 plus 30 minus 1 into 3. So S30 is equal to sum of 30 terms is equal to 2 1 ja 2 15 ja. So 15 2 12 ja 24 or 12 to the 24 plus 30 minus 1 29 into 3. So S30 is equal to, so 15, 24 plus 29 3s are 81. So 3 9s are, sorry, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 3 to the 6 plus 87. So 15 into 24 plus 87. Okay, 111. 111 means 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15 plus 1, 16. 15 ones are 15 plus 1, 16. So sum of the multiples of two digit number is 1665. Okay. Next one. Next one given here. So which term of our AP is 81. So here given one series. So minus 81, which term of on the AP? Example, first you write given series 21, 18, 15, that is minus 81. Minus 81. So first you write given series 21, 18, 15, that. So first you write the first term, A1 is equal to A is equal to 21, B is equal to 18 minus 21, 15 minus 18 is equal to minus 3. So 18 minus 21 minus 3, 15 minus 18 minus 3. So common difference is equal to minus 3. So here AN how much given? So last term given. So AN is equal to minus 81. So minus 81 which term? Nth term. Find the nth term. Nth term means AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN is equal to minus 81. A means 21 plus n not given. D is equal to minus 3. So minus 81, 21 plus, so minus 3n plus 3 means minus 3 into n minus 3n minus into minus plus 3 1 ja 3. So minus 81, 21 you can write 21 plus 3n. So minus 81 minus 24. So 21 plus 3, 24. 24 coming from RHS to LHS minus coming. So 3n minus 3n. So 81, 24. Minus 81 minus 24 minus 105 equal to minus 3n. So minus minus cancel. So n is equal to 105 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 3 is 9. 1 left is there. So one side 15. So 3 5. So therefore n is equal to 35. So in given series minus 81 is 35th term of on AP. 35th term of on AP means given series. So minus 81 is the 35th term of given series. Okay, next one. Next example. Determine the arithmetic progression whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Determine the whose third term is 5 and fifth term is seventh term is 9. Okay. First third term. So therefore, given series third term. Third term means A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D means 5. This is first equation. Next, seventh term. Seventh term is equal to A7. A7 means A plus 6D. So you observe. So A3, third term means here one number is decreasing. A plus 2D. So seventh term means A plus 6D. This is how like coming by using nth term of AP. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. For example, you want seventh term. A7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. So A7 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 6. 6 into D, 6D. So you will get these values from general nth term of on AP. So A plus 6D is equal to 9. This is second equation from 2 minus 1. A plus 6D is equal to 9. A plus 2D is equal to 5. So when subtracting two equations, so second equation symbol you will change. So plus means here plus is the minus, minus, minus. So plus A minus A, both are cancelled. So 6 minus 2, 4. So 6D minus 2D, 4D. So 9 minus 5, 4. So D is equal to 4 by 4 means 1. 4 1 the 4 1. So therefore common difference is equal to 1. So D is equal to 1. You substitute any equation given two equations, you will get the first term A value. For example, D value, D substitute D is equal to 1 means equation 1. So equation 1 third term. A is equal to A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 5. So A, D is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 5. So A plus 2 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So A is equal to 3. So A is equal to, therefore A is equal to 3. D is equal to 1. Okay. So A value given, D value given. Write the series on AP. Therefore, first term, general form of AP, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. So here A is equal to D. So A plus D, 3 plus 1. So A plus 2D, 3 plus 2 into 1. Next A plus 3D, 3 plus, sorry, 3 plus 3 into 1, and so on. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So given on AP is equal to, so you will get the 3, 4, 5, 6 means this is a one sequence, means this is a given series on AP.